Welcome to our video on how to protect your home and prevent theft and break-ins. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips to ensure the safety of your home and belongings. Whether you live in an apartment, condo, or house, these tips will help you secure your property. The first step in protecting your home is to secure all entry points. This includes doors, windows, and garage doors. Install sturdy deadbolt locks on all exterior doors and reinforce the door frames. For windows, consider adding window locks or security film to make them more resistant to break-ins. Don't forget to secure your garage by ensuring it's locked and installing a security system if possible. Proper outdoor lighting is crucial for deterring potential thieves. Install motion sensor lights near entry points and dark areas around your property. This will not only illuminate any suspicious activity but also make your home less attractive to burglars. Remember to keep your outdoor lights in good working condition and replace any burnt-out bulbs promptly. Investing in a reliable home security system is an excellent way to protect your home. These systems typically include surveillance cameras, door/window sensors, and a control panel. Choose a system that suits your needs and budget. Display signs and stickers indicating that your property is protected by a security system, as this alone can discourage potential intruders. It's important to secure your valuable belongings, such as jewelry, documents, and electronics. Consider purchasing a home safe to store these items securely. Additionally, avoid keeping valuable items in plain sight through windows, as this can attract burglars. Make an inventory of your valuable possessions and keep photographs and serial numbers in a safe place. Participating in a neighborhood watch program can significantly enhance the security of your home and community. Get to know your neighbors and establish a network where you look out for each other's properties. Communicate any suspicious activities or concerns to the local authorities promptly. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of theft and break-ins in your home. Remember, a secure and safe home is essential for your peace of mind and the well-being of your family. Stay vigilant, be proactive, and protect your home and loved ones.